In the world of cooking chemistry, a surprising ingredient can change everything. The humble rubber band. Imagine stretching a rubber band to its breaking point, only to have it snap back into place with surprising force. This phenomenon is more than just a simple stretchy material. It's a result of the unique properties of rubber. Rubber, a type of polymer, is made up of long chains of molecules that are coiled together. When stretched, these coils begin to unwind, causing the rubber to become more rigid and brittle. But that's not the strangest part. The rubber band can actually store energy as it's stretched. This stored energy is released when the rubber band snaps back, propelling it forward with incredible force. Scientists have even studied the rubber band to understand its remarkable properties. Researchers have discovered that the rubber band's ability to store energy is due to its unique molecular structure. The coils of molecules in the rubber band act like springs, storing energy as they're stretched. When the rubber band snaps back, these springs release their energy, propelling the rubber band forward. But how does this relate to cooking? Well, the principles of rubber chemistry can actually help us create better recipes. By understanding how rubber bands store energy, we can apply similar principles to cooking techniques. For example, chefs use the concept of springiness to create the perfect dough for bread or pasta. The springiness of the dough is achieved by adding ingredients that help it store energy, just like a rubber band. This energy is then released as the dough is kneaded, creating a perfectly textured final product. The principles of rubber chemistry can even help us understand the perfect cooking temperature for our dishes. Just like a rubber band reaches its breaking point when stretched too far, food can become overcooked if it's heated for too long. By understanding the thermal properties of food, we can apply the same principles of rubber chemistry to cooking. The science behind cooking is more complex than you might think, and the humble rubber band is just the beginning. So the next time you're cooking, remember the rubber band. It might just help you create your next culinary masterpiece. But wait, until you hear what comes next. The rubber band is just the tip of the iceberg. In the world of cooking chemistry, there are many more surprising ingredients waiting to be discovered. From the science of emulsions to the chemistry of flavor enhancers, the possibilities are endless. The art of cooking is all about understanding the science behind it, and the rubber band is just one example. By applying the principles of chemistry to cooking, we can create dishes that are not only delicious, but also visually stunning. The combination of science and art in cooking is what sets it apart from other culinary pursuits. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember the rubber band and the science behind it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories like this one. We'll be exploring the science behind cooking, from the chemistry of flavor enhancers to the physics of kitchen tools. Join us on this journey of discovery, and don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts. The world of cooking chemistry is full of surprises, and we're excited to share them with you. From the science of baking to the chemistry of sauces, we'll be exploring it all. So subscribe now and join our community of curious cooks and scientists. We can't wait to see what you think of our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this one. Want more mind-blowing facts about cooking chemistry? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of curious cooks and scientists. Thanks for watching.